Isa kasing problema ni Torre 'no, yung Icarus aspect niya,
Yeah,
he flew too high
too
'no.
fast, yeah.
Pero yung kanyang rise is also due to the government. He was a creation
Sure.
of the Marcos government 'no. Imagine mo in less than a year 'no, he became from a unknown to the most popular
Actually, a
government
bit
official.
marginalized pa nga siya,
Oo,
eh.
oo.
Oo.
So, gumanon siya. Ikalawa ay, siyempre yung sense of worth mo lalaki rin at minsan may mga
Alam natin 'yan, Sir Ronald.
meron kang tinutuntungan ng mga landmines na puwede mo sanang naiwasan kung
Yeah.
ikaw ay more circumspect.
Circumspect, yeah,
Oo.
exactly.
At ikatlo ay, hindi tayo privy dun sa mga dahilan sa kanyang pagtanggal. Ang nakikita lang natin yung mga surface issues, like yung mga appointments, 'no, yung ego, 'no, yung mga 'yun ang nakikita natin. Pero, probably may deeper reason sa kanyang pagtanggal, 'no? At ang problema
Well, I
yung
think it's a combination. My understanding is
yeah,
that
yeah,
it's not just that thing you're thinking about. I
ah,
think it's a
ang
combination, yeah.
problema yung optics.
Yeah, it's bad.
'Yun ang problema ng
Yeah, the
gobyerno,
optics was bad, yeah.
from the very start kasi dapat binigyan siya ng graceful exit.
Yeah.
At kasama sa graceful exit is an offer ng posisyon,
Immediately.
hindi after the fact,
Oo,
'no, na
parang
parang
consuelang dating.
parang, consuelo de bobo,
Yeah,
'di ba,
hindi puwede 'yan.
pampalubag loob.
Yeah.